Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Learndash versus LifterLMS features video, and we're going to go over some of the basic features so you know which one is correct for you. Learndash does not have free version, which LifterLMS does, and rest of the things, as you can see, drag drop, video lesson quizzes, content dripping, assignment certificate, one-time payment, recurrent payment, group access, course bundles, all these things are similar for both of them. Now, when it comes to some of the pros and cons of both of the apps, for LearnDash, it's user friendly. It has a lot of integrations because it is, it also offers third party, and it's highly scalable. You have advanced features. It also has good pricing plans. The cons is that there's no built-in membership feature. It has, limited built-in, and it may not be compatible with all WordPress themes. Now, it completely depends on you if you want to get all of the integrations of WordPress, which you will get through LearnDash. And then for Lifter LMS, the pros is that it has comprehensive built-in features, there's flexible pricing, there's inclusive course builder. The cons is that fewer integrations and it is higher cost and also limited quiz. So these are some of the basic differences. Key features: drag and drop course builder, and for LMS it's a virtual course builder, and then course structure is hierarchical, things like that. Quiz options: you have advanced quiz options for LearnDash, but for Lift LMS it only has limited quiz options. And these are the things. Now, which one should you truly go over? In my opinion, LearnDash is the better option because it is giving you with more integrations. You have more, what do you call it? Quiz options, and then pricing, things like that. It's just more flexible. So in that sense, you should go with LearnDash until unless there's something about Lifter LMS that is so important to you that you simply cannot ignore it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.